No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Inside the Box with Shades. This is your host. Hit that like and subscribe button for me. Helps out the channel. Now let's jump into the video here. Nano nuclear energy. This thing is at a bottom and it has the potential for massive upside. Does not mean it can't come down lower, but this is a previous support level. Possibly we could see some recovery here, and that would lead to huge opportunity on the pump back, potentially to 40, then 50 for 100%, maybe even 60. 60 was previous highs, so there's potential here for 100 to 200%. Even if it only moves from 20 to 30, that's about a 50%. So there's some good money to be made here on NNE. We do have to worry about the Iran situation and what could play out. Everyone's hoping for a taco tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. It's today. Everyone's hoping for a taco today, so we'll see what plays out. But hey, if you're watching this looks fantastic. Every time it's come down here, as you can see, once, twice, and here we are a third time. Every time. This is a weekly time frame. Every time we've been down here, it has been opportunity. If you want to play it safe, you wait for that white line on the MACD. We don't even care about the RSI here. Get out of here, RSI. Let's get rid of the RSI. Yeah, so white line crosses the yellow line here, leads to a huge move. You can see it happen here back in around May, and it just led to a lot of upside. Same thing here, same exact signal, a lot of upside, a lot of upside. So if you want to play it safe and wait exactly for that white line to cross the yellow line on the MACD, you can do so as well. After a huge drop like this, it's a very reliable signal. Too many people don't know how to use the MACD appropriately. They want to use the MACD all the way near the top, and then they end up buying high. It's not how this works, buddy. You gotta buy low. After a huge crash, leads to a massive move to the upside. Right? And this might be a downtrend break. We'll see if it plays out. Maybe a bullish falling wedge here. Keep an eye on this. Might get that to play out, leading to some decent upside here. 25 to 30 would be your first targets if you're just looking for the quick flip. Hold for 40 to 60 if you want. And I would set a stop loss as it moves higher, right? You would hate to buy it here at 20s and then it comes back down and takes you into the red. That would be pretty dumb, right? To be up in the green 50 to 100% and then you just watch it come back down and because you were so greedy. So as it moves up in your favor, take the stop, move up your stop loss, or just put it at break even. At least that way you're playing for free at that point. Yeah, so there's a lot of bullish patterns here. You can wait for the signal. Very good setup here. So I'm liking NNE. I'll leave it at that, guys. Again, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more NNE. I will see you in the next video.